Hello friends, this is Mausmi Ambastha. In this video, we bring to you projections for growth in Vietnam apparel industry in the period of 2017 to 2021. The apparel production is estimated to increase by a CAGR of 8.01%. 4.49 billion units in 2017 will increase to 6.11 billion units in 2021. Garment exports is also projected to increase with a steady growth of CAGR of 9%. 2017 is forecasted at 30.85 billion US, which is projected to increase to 43.5 billion US in the year 2021. The consumption structure in the country is also set to change. The increase in fashion apparel business will ensure focus on female consumers majorly in the Vietnam market. Rapid economic development will also affect lingerie and business clothing demand. Casual wear, infant wear and children wear will also grow rapidly in 2017 to 2021 owing to rising purchasing power. In early 2017, South Korea's CA Group committed to a $2 billion of capital investment in Vietnam textile and apparel industry. This is further going to increase the Vietnam apparel business growth. To know further information about Vietnam apparel business, you can download Apparel Trade Data Report from the link given below in the description. For more such informative videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Stitch Diary. You can also log into our website stitchdiary.com. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Thank you.